When you're running a sharp operation, you need tools that are going to last. So today we're here with Village Timber Company, where they're getting a demo by Hilti. Hilti, the power tool company, manufacturer. The guys have got a fantastic system that if you're in the market for power tool fleet and you're using it every day, you're gonna want to watch this video, because these are the tools that can handle a construction site. They're not pretty for a nice clean workshop. These are tools that you're going to use every day, that you can rely on. It's a system that delivers.
2 years and you never said a word. In 2 hours and now we said it all. You know we don't wanna fall in love again. Oh no, just think about what we did. It never worked.
We're here in Blackheath, and who are you?
Grant from Hilti, and yeah, we had to do a little demonstration on some of the tooling and the offerings that we have for Village Timber.
Village Timber. If you've been watching the channel, you would have seen them before. One of our preferred craftsmen here in the Western Cape, South Africa, and they're looking for some great tooling. Like, what's you got a bit of an offer or something happening today?
Yeah, we do. So we've got some cordless tools out here, jigsaws, vacuums, skill saws and things like that, perfect for the flooring industry, for the wood fanatics.
But like, you're not like the average Joe power tool. You're a little bit more of like a superstar power tool, are you not?
We'd like to think so. You know, we ask a little bit of a premium on our tools, and you know, we can justify it through the offering that we have, the longevity of the tool. It's made for South African conditions, so you know, construction, flooring, you name it, we can do it.
Yeah. Because our sites are a little bit intense, and a proper construction site, it's hardcore. It really pushes tools through its paces.
Puts it to the test, for sure.
Puts it to the test, for sure. So you've got a bit of a program that you exploring with Joe with regards to a lease system or such?
Yeah, so we call it a Hilti fleet offering. So essentially what you do is over 36, 48 months or 24 months, you fleet your product. So it's a small monthly premium that you pay, and for that, you know, we cover all the servicing on the tool, any maintenance that needs to be done.
Yes, it sounds like for a team that is as busy as like Village Timber, they really put tools through their paces, and having that peace of mind that
100%.
anything goes wrong, you guys are there, you sort it out. There's no drop in production, no tools downtime.
Yeah, so you know, there's additional concepts to our fleet program, which offers customers, you know, a loan tool pool at our Hilti store in Cape Town.
Yeah.
And their swaps can be done out if tools do go down. And you know, I mean, our workshop sits in Johannesburg, or the maintenance, our service center sits in Johannesburg, but it's a 5-day turnaround, right? So courier collects it today, tomorrow it arrives in Johannesburg. It's 2 days to Joburg, 1 day in the repair center, 2 days back. So 5 days downtime on a tool is not ideal. So come through to the Hilti store. If we might not have a direct replacement, but if there is, you know, an alternate that would service for the same function, the guys get that for the day or for the 5 days. And yeah, there's no downtime on your job site. And we know time is money at the end of the day, so you can't lose any of that. So this is available throughout South Africa, but obviously you're a global brand. This is available wherever. 120 countries. I don't think our fleet offering is available in all 120, but in most of your mature markets and a lot of our emerging markets is available.
So Africa.
We've got representatives in a lot of African countries that do supply Hilti. For South Africa, nationally, you know, Hilti is in all 9 provinces.
You're covered.
So yeah, give us a shout, and I'm sure we'll be able to come up with a good solution for your needs.
Well, we're going to go back into the workshop and explore what you're demoing over there, but thank you for your time. Appreciate it.
Fantastic. Go Hilti.
Go Hilti.
So why are you doing this tonight? You always know how to get me sentimental.